Cause you're perfect, you are worth it, you deserve it, make it worth it. Cause you're perfect, you are worth it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am so glad you stopped by today. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed my fauxlocs. So the locks you can see right there on the screen is the locks I will be installing, and I used Brazilian wool to wrap it. So there's a process and there's a method that I used, and I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So first off, you know that you get your hair braided before you even start installing locks. It's just the process. And then I had a hair braider come to my house and come help me install my locks. So there is a method that she used that I felt that I could share on here, because I don't think I've really noticed people using this particular method, even though I showed it as much as I could. I hope you guys are able to follow in this video and understand what the hair braider did on my hair. So first off, many people don't even use Brazilian wool to do their locks, so I found that very creative, because this was the first time I had seen anybody use this. I'm not sure if people use it, but I had never noticed it before. Anyway, she did my hair in tiny plaits or braids before she even began to install the locks. This is just the normal process. So the locks was counted before she even began to braid my hair, so we knew the particular number that she was going to braid my hair into. The locks actually turned out to be 40 pieces, so my hair was braided into 40 sections before she began to install the locks. This is best to avoid having excess braids or more locks than you have braids. So you need to count your locks and then braid your hair accordingly. So guys, like you can see, we are done with the plaits, we are done with the braiding. So this is exactly 40 sections that is needed for my locks. She didn't braid any more or any less, so this way we are going to start the installation process. So I'm going to walk you guys through the installation process and exactly what she did with different video and clips just to show it properly. So she's starting at the back, but the next clip I'm going to show you is a clip of how she puts in the lock. So first thing, you can see her sliding on the lock onto a braid. The next thing that she does is take the hair, the braid, and wrap it around the lock. Then she moves on to take a piece of Brazilian wool and begin to wrap the hair until all of my hair is completely covered. Like, she does this until all of my hair is completely covered. Then she ties a knot and then secures it properly with a second knot. So this is what she does for each of my locks. I'm just going to allow you guys to watch the video, but from the back, as you can see, we've moved back to the clip at the back. She uses Brazilian wool like on screen to wrap the locks. So what she does at first is that she puts in the crochet, then she down wraps my hair around the crochet lock and then covers everything with a Brazilian wool. So I wasn't able to get some of the clips of her doing the back of my hair, but anyway, this is the process that she has been doing. And because of the way that she wraps the hair, there is not a lot of length of wrapping to be done, so my hair is only really at the roots. I don't know if that makes sense. My hair is only really at the roots. My hair does not come past the roots. So if, for instance, if I wanted to take out these locks, I would need to use a razor blade and then slice the very end of the wrapping. So wherever she stops the wrapping is where I'm going to do a quick cut just to remove the Brazilian wool and then take out my hair, which is very wrapped at the roots. So if you're going to take out these crochet locks, I would not recommend cutting from the roots. Just do a quick cut, a quick neat cut at the end of whoever is doing your hair or wherever you stop wrapping. So I don't know if you understand what I've said so far, but this is what she does for all of my crochet locks till it is covered entirely on my head. So she wraps the crochet into my hair, she puts the crochet into my hair, then wraps my hair around the crochet at the roots, then covers everything with the Brazilian wool and makes a tight knot. That is what she did, and honestly this came out so good. I'm going to let you guys watch for a while right now just to see what she is doing. Yeah, so anyway, we are almost done with the entire process. This is the front of my hair. So this whole process took so little time. Within like an hour and a half, we were already done. This process was so easy. Everything went very, very quickly. I really enjoyed the installation process, even though I would say that it was a bit tight. Like after she was done and I had to go to bed like in the night, I had a hard time falling asleep because it was a bit too snug. But the next day, everything went back to normal, and I feel like after the first night, you would be able to move past it. It was a bit tight, but I didn't feel too uncomfortable. It was just that first night, which is like you would have with any new braids or installation. You would probably have a difficult time falling asleep because it's a bit firm, but I didn't really have an issue because I enjoyed the locks, and after the first night everything went back to normal. So anyway, I think I've explained everything that she did on my hair. I found the process really, really creative, and I hadn't even seen anybody installing locks with a crochet, sorry, with a Brazilian wool. So I found that very, very creative, and I felt like I should share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. It really helps my channel. It really helps support my channel. And then you can also subscribe if you like seeing my videos, so you can see more of it and you can get notified when I post new videos. So guys, it really came out looking so good. You can see how the locks came out. Like, I really, really like the way it looks, so natural. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a playlist of mine here. Bye.